teenage Dalit girl and her mother have been thrashed and stripped by some upper caste men in a village near Ajmer. Their only crime was that they had resisted the two men from the powerful Jat community who had wanted to forcibly take the Dalit girl with them. The angry men then later humiliated the Dalit women in full public view of the village.
It's a trauma Fulibai and her daughter will never forget. Their torn clothes are a grim reminder of the violence inflicted on them when they resisted the two Jat men who wanted to forcibly take away Fuli's 16-year-old daughter Ram Kanya on Monday evening. Besides thrashing them, this Dalit mother and daughter say they were stripped in full public view at Sihar village in Ajmer for resisting the upper caste men.
कपड़ा फाड़ा जाई न छुड़ाई बच्ची ना पर खांच के घर के खांच के ले गया तो मैं पकड़े अरे न छुड़ाई थी जो मेरा कपड़ा फाड़ दिया मेरे लुगड़ा खांच लिया मेरी बेटी का कपड़ा फाड़ दिया मेरी बेटी की बेइज्जती बोबा पकड़ पकड़ खांच लिया मेरे बहुत इज्जती बगाड़ी मेरी बेटी की.
The tormentors even threw out the Dalit family from the village, threatening them with worse punishment if they told their plight to anyone. Since Tuesday, the frightened Dalit family is sitting at the office of the Deputy Superintendent of Police in Ajmer's Kekri town, and they refuse to go back to their village for fear of losing their lives.
तो उनके खिलाफ हमने कदम उठा लिया, इसलिए हमारे को पूरा खतरा है, वो हमारे को जान से मार डालेंगे साहब.
The tormentors have now fled, and most villagers claim they don't know anything about the incident, but the police have registered a case.
The case from Satyanarayan Kamad has been registered under 223, 341 and 354 IPC, 3110 SC/ST Act.
But as the Dalit family remains petrified and the alleged tormentors continue to abscond, this tragedy is a grim reminder of how deep caste lines run in rural Rajasthan even 60 years after independence. With Moin Kadri in Ajmer and Rajan Mahan in Jaipur, Sovi Vidyadharan for NDTV.